so today we are going to do this very pretty, bright, sunsetty eye look. I really love how this turned out. If you are new here, hello, my name is Josie and I post new videos every single week, and I hope you guys will stay and become a part of the Glam fam and hit that subscribe button down there. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're also Beautybyjosiek, so I hope you guys will go chat with me over there as well. And let's get into this tutorial. I just got done filming my review for the Makeup Revolution Black Onyx Primer. If you would like to see that, if I posted it already, I will link it up here in the cards. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to go in and prime our eyes with Soft Ochre. Pop this on to our eyes. We are trying something new. I'm gonna zoom you guys in for this tutorial. Let me know what you think. We are just priming our eyes. So we are going to take the James Charles palette by Morphe right here, and we are going to go in to the yellow right here, and we're going to mix a tad bit into this orangey color, and we are going to make that our transition laydown shade. Once we have that blended up, we are gonna go in with a mix of these two orangey colors right here. And we are going to put that into our crease and not blend it quite as high as the yellow. I'm going to just place this first where we want it to be and then blend it out. I've been stuck on memory. And don't forget, you can always go back into your yellow and place some right along that edge to blend that in as well. Once that is done, we're gonna go into this maroon color. It's like a pinkish purple. And we are going to blend that underneath the orange. And again, I have found that packing the James Charles eyeshadows on first really helps with its opacity. Also guys, don't worry so much about this because we're going to just clean that up after everything is done. We are going to go in with this dark purple right here. And we're just going to pack that on the lid. I just need to clear my and then we're going to work on the bottom lash line. So for the bottom lash line, all I'm going to do is do the same thing, except we are going to go from yellow to orange to purple on the eye. Alright, I'm just going to clean up the edges with some concealer. Then I'm going to do my liner. I'm going to actually speed through liner and lashes, and I will be right back. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some highlight. This one right here. And we're going to put that onto our cheeks. Maybe I'll just go with a nude lipstick. And then we will run that NYX glittery gloss over the top of this once it's dry. Alright guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below. It is the red subscribe button, and if you click that and then the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my videos. And that is it for this video. I will talk to you guys in the next one.